Hello guys, this is me Kanayas. Today I'm gonna show the new updates. Well, there's a new rock and there's a new power bullet which is called the Mega Bullet. So it's even gonna be update with you guys. And now no outline. So actually I have to collect a color actually. Wait a second. Let me get the field number. So whoops, I've just made a mistake. Oh. And now this is the color we wanted to be perfect. And this is a rock. And this is another tracker. The bullet refreshes every 60 minutes. And this is even here. And I've changed it to E because I need it. Now I'm gonna change it to A or 1. No, let's skip it to 2. 2 actually. And now I'm gonna here. Okay, space is okay. Whatever, I'm gonna change it to 1 again. And now it's this. Now it's this. Now here. And now these. Here. Okay. And now there, here. And now save it. Then see the project page. When I press, wait, I have to change the instructions. Okay. H to 2 and NE to 1. See, and now the Mega Bullet has a bonus point too. The powerful bullets have a bonus point, which gives you more power to reach the end of the game, the end score of the game. And now more. Why can't I use the Mega Bullet? Whatever. Oops. Mega Bullet doesn't work. It does work with anything. And we're gonna show the bonus points you might get. So you already know if you use the bullet, you can only get one by one. But if you get the powerful bullet with the rocks, it will change into 9, and with rocks too, can get 19. See, guys? And now rocks 3. If it hits the powerful bullet, then it gets 30. And what about this? Look, guys. If it hits, it might get the same bonus point. And now it doesn't feel like bonus point. So I'm gonna make it as a bonus point. Then I made this, but I don't need it anymore. So change. Wait a minute. Wait, let me check. Not my variable, it's score. It should be score. And now let's work with the other ones. And now let's see how does it go. If there is any bugs, let me change them, because I'm always here to help you guys. Oh shit, come on. Wow. Huh? What the hell just happened? Huh? Guys, are you I'm crazy, bro. Guys, I'm already crazy. Oh. Well, guys, are you ready to test? Just test it. Bye.